Pearls are among the most elegant and timeless gems known to humankind. Unlike other gemstones that are mined from the earth, pearls are formed biologically, inside living organisms, specifically mollusks such as oysters and mussels. But how does this natural process occur? And what gives pearls their distinct beauty and scientific value? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of pearls, how they are formed, their physical and chemical properties, and the different types and uses of pearls around the world. Pearl formation begins irritant, such as a grain of sand or a parasite, enters the shell of a mollusk. To protect itself, the mollusk secretes a substance called nacre, also known as mother of pearl. This nacre is composed of aragonite, a form of calcium carbonate, and conchiolin, a protein that binds the crystal layers together. Over time, the mollusk layers this nacre around the irritant, forming a pearl. This process can take months or even depending on the species of mollusk and environmental conditions. The longer the pearl stays inside the mollusk, the larger and more lustrous it becomes. Natural pearls are rare because they are formed without human intervention, and only a small percentage of mollusks actually produce pearls. Most pearls on the market today are cultured pearls. These are formed through human-assisted methods where a technician carefully implants a nucleus or tissue graft into the mollusk. The mollusk then begins to form nacre around the implanted object, producing a pearl over time. Cultured pearls are produced on pearl farms, mostly in countries like Japan, China, Tahiti, and Australia. There are different types of pearls based on their origin and appearance. The most common types include Akoya pearls, usually white or cream-colored, known for their high luster. They are cultured mainly in Japan and China. Freshwater pearls, produced in freshwater mussels, they are often more irregular in shape but available in a wide range of colors. Tahitian pearls, naturally dark pearls that come from black-lipped oysters in French Polynesia. They can appear black, gray, green, or even peacock-colored. South Sea pearls, the largest and most valuable pearls, often golden or white, produced mainly in Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Pearls possess a unique luster that comes from the way light reflects and refracts through the multiple layers of nacre. This quality is often described as soft and glowing, unlike the sparkle of faceted gems like diamonds. The surface smoothness, color, and shine are all factors that determine a pearl's value. Scientifically, pearls are fascinating because of their biomineral composition. Aragonite crystals in nacre are arranged in a brick-and-mortar structure that makes pearls resilient and tough, even though they're formed from relatively soft minerals. Their composition makes them both strong and light, which is why pearls have been used not only in jewelry, but also in traditional medicine and cosmetics. Pearls are also known to be sensitive to heat, acids, and moisture. That's why pearl jewelry should be handled with care, avoiding contact with perfumes, cosmetics, and excessive humidity to maintain their natural beauty. Throughout history, pearls have held cultural and symbolic significance. In ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Rome, China, and India, pearls were seen as symbols of purity, wealth, and divine connection. Royalty and nobility often wore pearls to express power and status. In many cultures, pearls are also associated with femininity, wisdom, and serenity. Modern-day science continues to explore pearls not only for their beauty, but for their biological and environmental value. Studying pearl formation has given researchers insights into biomineralization processes, how living organisms produce minerals. This knowledge is now being applied in fields like material science, biomedicine, and environmental monitoring. In conclusion, pearls are more than just pretty gems. They are biological marvels created by humble creatures through a complex, elegant process.